Hi everybody, I am back to share a Pinterest inspired project. I do this collaboration with my friend Misha at Scraps&Things1. Hi Misha! I will post a link below this channel to her YouTube channel so you guys can head on over and check her out. So this past weekend we were supposed to make a wallet style mini album, which I've never done. And I was inspired by, there's a ton of different wallet style mini albums on Pinterest. If you just type it in your search bar, you can go through it and it just shows you like tons of different styles. But the one that really inspired me, and I actually followed a tutorial, is by my sister Scrapper. Now she does tutorials here on YouTube and has a YouTube channel, so I'm going to post a link below to her so you can head on over and check it out. Now she showed the basic construction of it. She didn't have any measurements for the photo mats, the pockets that you see. It was just basic construction. So I figured out the measurements for that and added pockets. But anyway, I used this Graphic 45 paper pad, Mother Goose. I purchased, I think, this one and another one quite a while ago at Hobby Lobby. And as you can see, I used pretty much all of it because I also created a paper bag mini album, which I'll share with you. And this is pretty much all I have left from that 8x8 paper pad. So that was actually kind of nice. I could probably get another like tiny project out of it maybe. But anyway, this is my wallet style mini album. This is the front cover and the back cover. And there's a magnetic closure here. Fussy cut that flower out of the paper. And it flips up. And there's a nice area if you wanted to put a photo. I don't really think, because it would take away from the closing part of it, but the look of the front if you put a photo there. But anyway, I put a pocket up top here, and I just made this little embellishment, one little cut apart from the paper, and then it had one of these, and then I put two photo mats on top, and that has a nice pocket. And then it folds down, and there's a bottom pocket here that I made, and then I tucked in 3 more photo mats into the pocket, and then it has fold out pages, so they fold out like this. And then I created 2 more pockets here, and I put coordinating tags and things in these little pockets. And then they fold out again. And then there's 2, these are all areas for photos, and then I put 2 photo mats here, and I fussy cut this image from the paper, and a photo will easily slide right under that onto the mat. So I put it up on a pop dot. And then these fold out this way. Okay, so they're kind of like an accordion fold, and to put your photos on, and then you can put photos on each side of the backs as well. So they fold out like this and like this. Really, really cute style. So my sister Scrapper will show you the basic construction, and then I figured out the mats, put these pockets here, these pockets here, and then photo mats there. So pretty much you could get well over 20, close to 25 areas for photos in this little wallet mini. And I do have, as you can hear, a magnetic closure in there. So that is my project for my Pinterest inspired collaboration with my friend Misha at Scraps&Things1. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I think I am gonna put this in my eBay. If anybody's interested, I'll post a link below to that as well. And I will be back to share the paper bag mini album with you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, have a great day, and happy crafting.